If you still think a fixed deposit is your retirement plan, you're basically paying your future self in slow motion. Meanwhile, in the UAE, investors are shifting gears, moving billions into real estate, digital assets, and their own companies. Let's talk about investment plans in 2025. Why starting a business in UAE beats every fund right now. Let's start with the basics. According to reports, the UAE's digital investment market is expected to hit 2.41 billion USD by the end of 2025. That's a 13.13% compounded annual growth rate, which is CAGR, and over 85% of users are aged between 25 to 44. That's not retirement money, that's I want it now money. Now let's dive in. Let's talk about investment plans in UAE 2025. Here are the popular ones. SIPs, Systematic Investment Plan, low risk but long term. ULIPs, Unit Linked Insurance Plans, mix of life cover and equity. Mutual funds, managed risks. Next is REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts, affordable real estate play. NPS and pension schemes for the slow and steady. Next, stock market plus ETFs for those who pretend they read annual report. Crypto for those who like drama. And increasingly, company formation for those who want to build the asset instead of just buying one. The shift from passive to business active. Now, let's look at the returns. First, fixed deposit in UAE, 3.5 to 4.25% of annual return. Second, SIPs, 6 to 10% over 5 to 10 years. Third, UAE real estate, 8 to 12% of rental yield in selected zones. Fourth, average SME profit margins in UAE free zones, 17%. And fifth, online business hit around 25 to 40% margins in year one. Still clinging to that saving plan? Might want to upgrade to a strategy? More and more UAE residents are treating business ownership as a wealth building vehicle, not just a passion project. Instead of waiting for your money to grow quietly in a locked portfolio, why not put it to work in a structure where you own, control, and scale? Let's put it this way. Most investment plans ask you to wait for compounding. A business lets you build momentum, not just interests. If you are planning to start a business in Dubai or any free zone, you are not just running a business, you are investing in a cash generating asset. The government push is incredible. Government push is investors' pull. As per government reports, the UAE record over 73,000 new business licenses in 2024 alone, up by 29% year on year. Next, over 60% of new companies in free zones are service-based, low cost but high profit. Recent data also shows that new investments into traditional insurances linked saving plans dropped by 9% in 2024. What does that mean? That people are moving away from locked in, low return plans to liquid, scalable opportunities like startups, tech firms, and e-commerce models. And when we say business setup in UAE, what all does it include? Let's dive in. First, fast-track license processing. Second, legal, 100% foreign ownership. Third, tax benefit that help your capital stay yours. It's not just a business, it's a smarter investment plan. Let's talk now about the risks. Isn't business risky? Of course, but doing nothing comes with its own price tag. Inaction doesn't remove risks, it just delays the consequence. Risk doesn't disappear, it just shifts. Market risks in mutual funds, policy changes in pension plans, currency fluctuations in forex. And let's not talk about the crypto unless you have a therapist on your speed dial. But with the business, you manage the variables. Location, pricing, market, scaling, it's all in your hands. And the ROI is tangible. You don't just get returns, you build assets, cash flow, and equity. That's why many smart investors are opting for a low-cost business setup in UAE over traditional portfolios. Let's now dive into the cost of entry. How much does it cost you for starting a business in UAE? This isn't for millionaires in suits. Free zone business setup starts from just 5,555 dirhams. No physical office, that's totally fine. Go virtual. No employees, go solo. No tech skills, drop shipping, digital services, and consulting are thriving. In 2025, you can start a business in Dubai faster than you can finish a coffee. So, you've got 50,000 dirhams. What all can you do? Lock it in for 5 years and earn just 15,000 dirham at max, or start a company. Earn 200,000 dirhams and maybe sell it in 3 years for 500,000 dirhams. We are not saying don't invest. We are saying invest like you want to scale. And if you are thinking, can we do this legally, remotely, and without a headache? That's where Dhangard comes in. Book a free call with our team and we'll help in the complete business setup process. We will handle of your company formation, register your business, get your license, open a bank account, and take care of all the back-end work. Well, you just have to focus on your growth. Like this video, give us a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and share it with that one friend still talking about mutual funds at dinner. And drop a comment. What's your 2025 investment plan? Until next time, don't just invest, build.